We should record it.
You don't want?
Sir, I want you to record it.
Yeah, I am recording it. Please tell
Yes.
me about yourself.
Hello, sir. I'm Jyoti Kumari from Bokaro Steel City, Jharkhand. I have done my schooling from Bokaro Steel City itself. Then I did BC in Chemistry Honors from St. Xavier's Ranchi. Further to which I did a PGDM in Finance from Xavier Institute of Social Service. Post that, I worked with an organization named JSLPS for 3 years. After that, I left my job, and since 1.5 year, I have been preparing for banking examinations. Recently, I have done a certification in financial accounting from IIM Bangalore. Thank you, sir.
So, what is it you learned in certificate in accounting in IIM Bangalore? And why did you choose IIM Bangalore? Is it being conducted by them only or by other IIMs also?
Sir, first of all, I wanted to have certification to enhance my resume and as well as my knowledge. I chose IIM Bangalore because of its credibility, and there over the Google, I could find that IIM Bangalore is providing the course, so I find it reliable, and hence I went for it because it is one of the top notch B school of India.
Sure. Good.
So,
Now,
so far my learning in financial accounting is concerned, I learned a practical approach how a vendor does makes P&L balance sheet, what kind of challenges he or she faces while completing his borrowing to right business cycle. These things I could learn, and mostly about the it was the practical approach. Otherwise, theoretical knowledge we were having it, but practical approach I could understand from this certification.
very good. Now, what do you know about banks? What are banks? And which bank are you having account?
Sir, banks are the financial institutions which provide credit, deposit as well as credit facility advances of loan facilities to the people. And I'm having my account in two banks. One is ICICI, another one is UCO Bank.
Mhm. Good. ICICI and UCO Bank. What is the difference between these two?
Sir, one is public sector bank, another that is UCO Bank, and another one ICICI Bank is a private sector bank.
Among these two banks, which bank has got a higher business position?
Sir, it is certainly ICICI Bank, as ICICI Bank is the third largest private sector bank of India. So,
Third or second? I think it is second.
second. First is HDFC, and second is ICICI. Sorry.
Correct. Now, where is the headquarters of UCO Bank?
Sir, it is in Kolkata.
Correct. Now, you are interested in joining our UBI. Can you tell
Sir,
me what have you studied? Sorry, PNB. You are going for PNB. Sorry, I
yes,
got confused.
yes, sir,
So,
I understood. Sir.
please tell me what do you know about PNB?
Sir, PNB is a public sector bank based in New Delhi. It was founded in May 1894. It is the second largest public sector bank of India. It has a customer base of around 180 million. Customer base of 180 million, and employees are around 1 lakh. Total so far branches and ATMs are concerned, it is branches is around 12,000, and ATMs are 13,000. And currently the MD and CEO of PNB is Mr. Atul Kumar Goel. Share price of PNB hovers around 120. Gross so far business total business is concerned, it is 23 lakh crore rupees as on 31st of March 2024. advances, the total deposits are 30 around 13.7 lakh crore, and total advances are around 9.8 lakh crore. Profit for last quarter ended on 31st March 2024 is 3000 crore, and
Huh?
gross NP
So for
for
quarter
last
one,
quarter.
quarter
Yes,
one. Okay, okay. Correct.
yes.
Continue.
And gross NPA is around 56,000 crore, net NPA is around 7,000 crore. Market
Hmm.
capitalization of PNB is 1.35 lakh crore.
In terms of percentage, what is GNPA and NNPA?
So I'm not very sure, but GNPA is around 5.46 percent, and NNPA is 1 or 2%. I'm not very sure, sir.
थोड़ा checkup कर लीजिए. We must go. We
Okay,
must know about it. Good.
okay, sir.
So this is what. Okay. Now, what is today's date?
So it is 11th July 2024.
What day is celebrated on 11th July?
Sir, I haven't gone through the newspaper. Today's newspaper. I don't know.
It is World Population Day.
Okay, sir.
World Population Day is celebrated on 11th July. In terms
Mhm.
of population, what is the population of India? Which country tops the population in the world?
Sir, India is the most populated country of the world.
Roughly how many crores?
Sir, 142 crore.
144. India is 144. China is
China
142.
is 122.
And followed by USA, third position, 30 crores or so. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
And the population is expected to, world population is expected to reach up to 8.5 billion by 2030.
30. Yes.
And some other, yeah, I have posted it is there in today's papers, Indian Express and all. I
Okay,
have
sir.
given it. Please study that one. Okay.
Sure, sir. Sure, sir.
Good. What is tangible net worth?
So tangible net worth is a total net worth minus intangible assets.
What is the meaning of the CIBIL score 1 minus 1? What is the
So,
meaning of CIBIL score minus 1?
so um, the customer for which civil score we are scanning has defaulted in his previous repayment of
No, no,
interest or
no,
principal.
no, no, no. I was told this means
Mhm.
that the person has got no transactions like credit card,
Okay.
etc., to study
Okay.
about him.
Okay.
Now, why do you want to join Punjab National Bank?
So as I mentioned earlier as well, that PNB is the second largest PSB of India. So it will be a good opportunity for me to work here to enhance my so that I'll also get good exposure across in the banking sector as a credit manager. And so since the organization is having great business, so I'll having more much more exposure towards providing the credit facilities to the person who are in need. So it will be a good opportunity to work with the largest, second largest PSB of India.
How much important is this interview for you?
Sir, since I have left my job, so and I have been preparing for last 2 years, so it is extremely important for me to first be financially independent, and secondly to get into the organization which is well reputed uh, in India. So it is extremely important for me in
What
personal as well as at the professional aspect.
What is your father?
So my father has retired from Steel Authority of India Limited.
Who is the chairman of Steel Authority of India?
So currently it is Mr. Prakash Dubendu.
Who is the Ministry of Steel?
So that I don't remember.
Present
Sir,
minister.
I think Hardeep Puri. Hardeep Puri. For,
Are you
I don't.
sure?
I'm not quite sure. No, sir.
One,
He's for oil and
one
crude.
minute. Let
I'm
me
not.
check up India Union Ministers list. Portfolios of Union Ministers. I'm getting here. This is the thing I am showing you. Can you see some name?
Yes, sir.
Steel, where is it coming? Here. Heavy Industries and Steel, H.D. Kumaraswamy.
Ashti Commerce.
H.D. Kumaraswamy is from which state?
Mhm.
You know,
It
you may
seems
not.
Tamil Nadu.
Karnataka.
I think.
Everything is Tamil Nadu for you. Just as, just as we South Indians, when we go to North India, um,
Mhm.
you people call everybody as Tamilian, including Telugu people, Tamil people, and all. He is Kumaraswamy.
Okay, sir.
He is son of which person who was Prime Minister of India? He is
Prime
son of
Minister.
Yeah, Devagowda.
Okay.
He is son of Mr. Devagowda, who was Prime Minister of our country earlier. Similarly, you
Okay.
should know who is the minister in charge of MSME.
Mm. Sir, MSME, I think.
Manji, some
Yes.
Manji,
Some Manji is from Bihar. Jitan Ram
uh,
Manji. Yes.
Jitan Ram Manji. Now, what is the current news in papers about what is that person? Your chief minister, Bihar chief minister, Mr. What is his name?
Nitish Kumar, sir.
Nitish Kumar. What is he asking from government?
Sir, currently he is asking special recognition for from the center to provide special recognition to Bihar state. So it will
Not only that,
facilitate.
it seems he is asking dollar 500 billion, dollar 500 billion or so
Okay.
as some aid, financial aid to
Financial.
Bihar. That's all the problem of coalition government.
Hmm.
He will be
Similar thing
asking
is happening with Mr. N. Chandrababu Naidu as well. He is also
same.
asking.
Yeah, he is also asking more. So that way, our government has become weak now. This is a real problem for us.
Challenge.
And all over the world, it is happening like that. South Africa
Hmm.
also government was changed. And who is the prime minister now in London or Britain?
Some Santan Bear. I don't remember, sir. I have gone through it, but I forgot.
I also don't. Some Kirmer or something like that. Uh, 1 minute. Let me check up. Britain prime minister. Rishi Sunak name was easy to remember. This man's
Starmer. K. Yes, sir.
star. Yeah, Starmer.
K.
Starmer. Yeah. I think we should remember stars in the nights. And then, who is your favorite star? Cine star.
Uh, Sir, women or men?
So, now, obviously, you can tell first man, then woman.
Sir, men. I think it's Vidyut Jamal.
Acha. He is a Hindi actor.
Yes, sir. He is Indian. He works in Bollywood as well as in South movies as well.
Acha.
Tollywood.
Good. Well, who is your favorite heroine?
Sir, it's Ada Sharma.
Mhm. Good. Now, can you tell me what is SURFACE Act and what for is it used by banks?
Sir, Surface is securitization and reconstruction of financial assets and enforcement of Securities Act. It is enacted in 2002. it allows banks to reduce their NPAs through by reconstructing and recovering. Using these two methods, it allows banks to reduce their NPAs.
No, I think you can learn something more about it. That about SURFACE Act, when was it passed and how it is useful in that banks can proceed directly without going to the court. And there are two sections important for this, section 13(2), section 13(4). So what is it? You please read
Yes,
from our materials itself.
okay, sir. Okay, sir.
You know what is meant by sanctioned limit and drawing power in respect of open cash credit. Have you heard about open cash credit?
Sir, I know cash credit. I haven't come across open cash credit.
What is cash credit?
So cash credit is the limit that is provided by the bank to their customers in current account. So wherein they can use money excess of what they are having in their account.
No, no. OCC limit, cash credit limit is a limit that is given to the borrower for him to
Mhm.
draw up to the limit. Open cash credit means the security is in the form of goods, which will be under the custody of the customer only, not with the banker. If the same thing, custody is going to be given to the banker by way of keeping it in the godown and key of the godown being retained by the bank, it is known as key cash credit. Don't confuse with Kisan credit card. That is different.
Okay, sir.
Now, the question is, what do you understand by drawing power?
Sir, drawing power is the same. It is it in overdraft where in ODs where customer bank again the bank provides a excess limited to the bank credit limited to their customers for working capital for uh, wherein they can take excess amount
No, no,
above
no,
their.
no. Sorry, sorry. You are not getting the point.
Yes, sir.
Drawing power
Not.
will come when the see whenever cash credit limit is granted, bank will be prescribing a margin, say 25% margin, 30% margin, and that will be deducted from the value of the goods that are in the customer's shop. For example, if the stock is 10 lakhs and margin is 30% and limit sanctioned is, let us assume, 10 lakhs, the party will be allowed to draw only up to 7 lakhs. 10 lakhs is the cost value of the goods. 30% is the margin prescribed and less that it is 7 lakhs. So the drawing power now is 7 lakhs. Supposing the sanctioned limit is 10 lakhs, but the party is producing a stock statement of 20 lakhs also. Even then, allowing for 30% margin, it comes to 14. We won't give him 14, but we will give only 10 lakhs. Understand?
Okay, sir. Yes, I understood, sir.
Yeah, very good. Now, can you please tell me about home loan? For obtaining home loan from the bank, what are the documents to be given?
Uh, Sir, the person first need to apply and uh, uh, documents that are required are if the individual is a working professional, then 6 months of salary slip, then uh, collateral is important. And other than this, uh,
I, s- I
uh,
I suggest you go through Punjab National Bank website and go through the salient
okay, sir.
features of the respective loan accounts. You should go through that. Now, can you name the retail loans given by Punjab National Bank? Retail
Sure, sir.
loan products of Punjab National Bank. Tell me the name of loan only.
Car loan, personal loan, gold loan. No, it is not gold loan. Car, personal. Then house loan against properties. Uh, Gold loan. mm,
Gold loan
Other than
also you can include. It's a retail loan.
okay.
Yeah. Then have you not gone through? Have you not gone through Punjab National Bank website?
No, sir, I haven't gone through
Why?
it.
You you passed the test long back, but still, why have you not gone through this? You thought you can read it before the date of interview.
मांग रही है
Sir, actually,
हाँ
I was being bit
और मांग रही है
complacent
Housing loan,
about it. That
housing loan,
it,
personal loan, vehicle loan, education loan, gold loan. These are the main loans they are giving. Okay.
टाइम पास के लिए मांग रही है
Yeah. Now, can you tell me what is uh, what can you tell me what is MSME definition? Hello,
yes, sir, yes, sir.
MSME definition.
Sir, MSME stands for micro, small, and medium enterprises. The definition, sir, I don't remember.
You have to study. Micro means one
Yes.
investment plant and machinery 1 crore, less than 1 crore, and turnover less than 5 crore. Then small means investment plant and machinery less than 10 crore and turnover less than 50 crore, 50. And medium means investment plant and machinery less than 50 crore and
Mhm.
turnover less than 250 crore. You should know
I'll go
that.
through it. Yes, sir.
Then,
Yes, sir.
what do you know about SIDBI? SIDBI.
Yes. Um,
You should know about it.
Yes, sir.
No.
CIBI is the regulatory body for MSME. Um,
Correct. What is the uh, portal of that for MSME?
um,
What is the name of the portal for MSME? Some starting with U, Udyogam or something like that. You must know that.
Udyam portal. Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Udyam portal.
yeah, you must know about it. Now, last question for you. Please tell
Yes.
me what is SHG. Tell me how it is working.
SHGs. Sir, SHGs are self-help groups. So these are the which work under Ministry of Rural Development. So these are the small groups that Government of India has been empowering people to through various organizations to make under NRLM schemes. So in every villages at the ground level, in every villages, women or 6 to 7 women, or sometimes could be 10 to 12 women come together, wherein they follow certain rules, such as exchanging credit limits of a small amount, interloaning, then providing regular deposits. They often take a loan from the group, from their group when they are in need, and pay back with interest at subsidized rate. They are further empowered by the state level organizations in most of the districts in India, and it started basically from Tamil Nadu itself, and as a dream project, and then it was further inculcated to various states, and it have we have seen a great tremendous growth in it. Recently in budget as well, Government of India has promised to provide drone training to around 3 crore Lakpati Didis, and these Didis are from SAGs as well. So
Okay,
Government of
you can
India.
also mention that they open bank accounts and banks do give them loans, which is being distributed among members, and the group in turn returns the money to the bank. The experience
Yes.
has been very good. since more than 95% of the loans are being repaid properly. This scheme has been learned from Bangladesh, where this concept was initiated by one Mr. Mohammed Yunus. One Mr. Mohammed Yunus, who has been awarded Nobel Prize for this.
Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
That is how we have to tell about this. Very good. Best wishes. Your first interview, you have done well. And you please be reading, please be preparing, please watch
Yes,
all the class videos we have put, take down
okay,
notes, and prepare yourself well. Best wishes.
okay, sir. Okay.
Thank
Thank
you.
you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Bye.
Bye, sir.
Bye bye. I'm closing it.
Sure, sir.
Stop share. I'm stopping it. Ruchika, I'm closing this class with this. Okay, Ruchika and
Yes,
Jyoti.
sir. Yes, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank
Thank
you.
you so much.
Wish you best of luck. Please attend the
Thank you, sir.
interview. And at the end of
Yes,
day,
sir.
please remember what are the questions and post them
Yes, sir.
in our group or send it to me. No problem.
Sure, sir. Sure, sir.
Thank
Sure.
you. Best
Okay.
wishes.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Bye.